Fuggy bass bean, fuggy bass bean.
Yo,
it's a failure.
So I have to wait for him, unfortunately, yo. Gotta wait for him.
When I'm figure out with the cracks, who should record again? Sharp.
Good to go?
Right, let's go.
Yo, we here again, you boys, you know who we are. Do they know who we are? I don't know. But my name is Cracks, Milano, that's the name I go by back home. And this is...
Yeah, this is your boy Psycholution. Welcome to the very first spring party right here at Ocean Waves Chill Out in Manzini. You people should, if you're not here, you ain't nowhere. So yeah, basically we're holding it down here with fed performances and DJs holding it down. Anything?
Yeah, there is anything. Should I explain what spring party is? Yeah, I think I should. This is the event that actually accommodates the youth for them to come see us, especially for those who can't come out and see us at night. My bad. Listen, okay. Yes. But anyways, this is what it is. My boy Psycho. You can holler anything you wanna holler, but this is it.
Yeah, no, stay tuned for whatever we're gonna be showing you guys and checking how everything is going. Yeah.
So I gotta hold the mic for you now.
Yeah, you got it, man. You got it.
It's alright, cause it's Snow White.
Fuggy bass bean, fuggy bass bean, fuggy bass bean,
connected bass bean lanuto ko baltolo ngathi ushovi kobondela uyithanze nale ngoma ngathi udlisa ikorobela ngoma mazela thine ngengoma yakokotela usakokotela gogo lelikokoko sekokela kwala ngale voice super sound so fresh killing all the noise will be whack man I confess claiming every ground that I lay my foot on next door bayakena their territory is mine too 1 2 this is for everybody I tell you mind you I'm another person who might be down to the check it send a song send it for you but song is jabulo with 5 minutes keep doing I'll just buge na babasve tele mafinga ngoma ngasenambi bakhuphulisa ifimba baphithita mhloko ngenamba njengestina next time badovita 2 fingers mabasi fuggy bass bean fuggy bass bean fuggy bass bean tote fuggy bass bean
fuggy bass bean, fuggy bass bean, fuggy bass bean, tote connected bass bean,
fuggy bass bean fuggy bass bean fuggy bass bean